Hello and welcome. Today, you will learn 10 common English verbs that every beginner should know. Let's get started. Word 1, be. Be means to exist or to be. Example, I am happy. Repeat after me. I am happy. Word 2, have. Have means to own or possess something. Example, I have a car. Repeat after me. I have a car. Word 3, do. Do means to perform an action or task. Example, I do my homework. Repeat after me. I do my homework. Word 4, say. Say means to speak or express words. Example, she says hello. Repeat after me. She says hello. Word 5, go. Go means to move from one place to another. Example, they go to school. Repeat after me. They go to school. Word 6, get. Get means to receive or obtain something. Example, I get a gift. Repeat after me. I get a gift. Word 7, make. Make means to create or produce something. Example, she makes a cake. Repeat after me. She makes a cake. Word 8, know. Know means to have information or understanding. Example, I know the answer. Repeat after me. I know the answer. Word 9, think. Think means to use your mind to form ideas. Example, I think about my future. Repeat after me. I think about my future. Word 10, take. Take means to pick up or carry something. Example, he takes his bag. Repeat after me. He takes his bag. Great job. Now let's review. Be, I am happy. Have, I have a car. Do, I do my homework. Say, she says hello. Go, they go to school. Get, I get a gift. Make, she makes a cake. Know, I know the answer. Think, I think about my future. Take, he takes his bag. Excellent work! Practice these verbs every day and your English will improve quickly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue learning with English Aura.